Is it time to buy or sell Alibaba stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Alibaba. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 20th of March, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 21st of January 2025, our system has identified Alibaba as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.09. Now let's examine the stock's performance over this period. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 60.35% since we initially designated Alibaba as a buy candidate just 42 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.44% per day since its classification as a buy candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 100.56% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 100.56% to 121.93%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 46.59%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 4.46% and 58.61% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between 130.81 and 217.15. Our latest daily update for Alibaba includes the headline, Red Day on Thursday for Alibaba. The Alibaba stock price experienced a decline of 4.39% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 20th of March, 2025, dropping from $143.20 to $136.91. During this trading session, the stock fluctuated by 1.89%, with a low of $136.41 and a high of $138.99. Although the price has increased on 6 of the last 10 days, it remains down by 2.17% for this period. Additionally, trading volume rose by 8 million shares on the last day, despite the falling prices. This could signal an early warning, slightly increasing the risk over the next few days. In total, 24 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $3.23 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $148.43, while the lowest was $68.36. Currently, the price stands 7.76%, or $11.52, below the 52-week high, and 57.12%, or $182.41, below the all-time high recorded on the 27th of October, 2020, when the price soared to $319.32. Alibaba's stock has experienced a significant downturn today, with shares dropping 4.3% amid a broader decline affecting other major Chinese tech firms like Tencent and Futu Holdings. This short-term volatility reflects ongoing market concerns about the resilience of the Chinese tech sector. Despite this decline, there's a contrasting bullish sentiment surrounding Alibaba's potential long-term outlook. In recent developments, analysts have upgraded Alibaba from a sell to a buy recommendation. This adjustment comes on the heels of better-than-expected earnings results, showing robust growth in both the cloud and digital commerce sectors, driven by advancements in artificial intelligence. Such upgrades could instill confidence among investors, potentially stabilizing the stock in the near term. Additionally, Alibaba is making significant investments in artificial intelligence and cloud computing, sectors anticipated to drive revenue growth, particularly within the company's cloud intelligence group. With improving economic conditions in China, these strategic moves may position Alibaba favorably for sustained growth. Moreover, with the upcoming AliExpress sales season, there's potential for increased revenues within the next quarter, further bolstering the company's earnings. While today's sell-off might weigh on the stock price temporarily, the longer-term implications of strategic investments and solid earnings could create a bullish trend for Alibaba in the coming months. Analyst ratings. On Saturday, the 22nd of February, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned BABA a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, UBS assigned BABA a reduce grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, Benchmark assigned BABA an outperform grade with an upgrade action. On Friday, the 10th of January, 2025, Citigroup assigned BABA a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 18th of November, 2024, Susquehanna assigned BABA a positive grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Alibaba stock. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also provide a buy rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Alibaba. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, the 17th of March, 2025, and so far it has fallen by approximately 7.22%. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Some positive signals have also emerged, and these could influence the short-term developments. The Alibaba stock presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, offering a positive forecast. On further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $141. Conversely, if the stock falls, it will find support from the long-term average at around $126.76. A break above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, whereas a break below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 4 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 4 days ago. The short-term moving average has shown a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 43 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages points to a buy signal from 39 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average provided a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 38 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 28 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Alibaba. Alibaba is currently receiving support from accumulated volume at $135.97. This level may present a buying opportunity, as a positive reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $2.58, or 1.89%. In the last week, the daily average volatility for the stock has been 2.98%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Alibaba, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 13th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.37. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Alibaba. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Alibaba is at $139.08. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Alibaba encounters its first support level at $135.97. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $130.17, representing a decline of 4.92%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 3 days ago. Is Alibaba stock a good buy? Currently, several indicators are showing negative signals, which we believe will impact the stock's performance in the coming days and possibly weeks. However, we also see that today's price presents a potential buying opportunity, with expectations that it will increase during or by the end of the upcoming 3-month period. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 21st of March, we anticipate Alibaba will open higher by approximately 53 cents, starting at $137.44. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is crucial to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment decision. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us at Stock Invest.